Welcome back to Farm Boys Racing. It's been a long day and it's raining outside, so we don't know if we'll be able to get to racing tomorrow or not. We're hoping to. Been doing some work on the car. We're pretty set. We don't know if this is a good idea or the worst idea ever on aluminum heads, but we're going to risk it. Really tight. Just a bolt ran down into the frame, bolted to the head. Revved it up, doesn't hardly move now. Also, me and him went and took the 31s off, put the 28s on, lowered the car down significantly, and we've got the battery on charge. Everything works. Clean the car out a little bit. We're going to see if it's not raining tomorrow, if we can take this racing. Man, I hope it don't rain. Well, we're on our way. I got the car back there in the back. We're off to the drag strips. Hopefully my tarp don't come off, but we'll have fun with that later. Made it down to the drag strip with minimal problems. First pass. While lining up on the first pass, I was told to do 2 burnouts. Little did we know that the differential would have problems, along with the car running severely rich, nearly causing me to crash. Second round, I faced a Ford Explorer ST. Barely beat him. Still having problems with my carburetor. We couldn't really get it tuned out. You can tell in both the burnout and in this next pass. Well, we broke it. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, we broke it. It's not starting and we don't know why. I'm pulling plugs now. Going through and trying to fix it. Lord have mercy, please. Something help me. After the last pass, it actually shut off. Would not start. Turns out that the distributor had moved and caused it to lean out and would not allow it to start. We had one spark plug completely mashed flat. After that, we decided to just watch the racing.
Small tire, I need you in the lanes, please. Small tire, I need you in the lanes. First pair down, we'll be back band in the left lane. Adam Shaw in the right. Small tire, I need you in the lanes.
The car ended up doing some stupid shit, and so we're done for the night. Well, we've been done. We've been done for what, 4 hours? Patrick and Angel showed up, so that's good. Now we're just sitting here watching some racing. Well, tonight wasn't awful, but it wasn't great. We've still got yet a lot of work to do. We got to tear it all the way back down now. Lane's getting everything packed. Car's strapped down, ready to go. I'll cover it up when I get home. We'll hop in the Dodge and we're gonna go grab us something to eat. Well, so the other night, I'm pretty sure we stretched a rod on the race car. It done some things that I didn't want it to do, and we ended up with a spark plug that was gap was completely closed on. Well, today we're working on this hunk of junk. My wife's S10. Okay, she's probably going to paint pink. That tack's not the tack that we're going to be running. That's my buddy's tack. But we're going to try to get some work done on it today. Get some different tires swapped on. Thinking about putting the slicks on for fun. But that's going to be going on it. It makes it look mean. But I'm going to clean it out. Try to get some stuff, make it look pretty. Because she's all about looks. We'll see what happens. Well, got my wife's S10 going. Me and good old Lane here are gonna take it and put it at a different spot. Let's see how it runs. After we got the truck moved, we ended up hopping in Lane's S10 and just doing burnouts and donuts the next day. So enjoy. This has been Farm Boys Racing. Hope you enjoyed.